If you're really looking for something traditional, royal and elegant, then check out Reed by Kaveri Batla.
Hi, I'm Kaveri. I started off my brand in Feb 2009 and I was previously working with my dad for good 2 years in HomeSAS. My store is in Central Market, Lajpat Nagar, inside HomeSAS. This is around 45,500 and can be customized in any color combination you want, if you want to add on the flare, we can do that. Basically, we make sure that we give a pajami or a sharara beneath. This is another piece. Basically, my specialization is anarkali gowns. So that, clients can wear it, they can show off the pieces. This is basically all on net with around 4 meters of flare above and around 100 meters of flare beneath. This is all again thread work plus Swarovski. These flowers are basically made of hand embroidery. This is not machine. And the price range is about 85,500, including the lehenga, dupatta and the churidar. This is like my showstopper piece. This is done on velvet. That's a proper bridal lehenga with 2 dupattas. Choli and the lehenga is in velvet. This is all dabka, pardana, chain, pearl work, everything. So that, bride can wear whatever jewelry she wants to wear with this. She can wear a polki set with little pearl work in that. Now there are 2 dupattas in this. That is very interesting. The first dupatta with a little heavier work, we have draped it like a sari. And this dupatta, she can take it on the head. This piece is around 2,25,000 and can be customized according to the client's choice. If they want to cut down on the work, we can do that also. And if they want to change the fabric, there are many brides who doesn't want velvet, they need silk. We can do that thing on silk as well. This is an anarkali suit with a jacket. This jacket is on velvet and the work on the jacket is all machine work. Along with that, we have got bootas at the border, at the ghera, which is all handwork, plus velvet patching. And this is all sequence border. If someone wants, they can convert the same thing into an anarkali, they can convert it into a lehenga also. Example, we can make this thing as a choli and we can make this thing as a lehenga. With loads of flare, completely a client's call. If a client wants to convert it into a lehenga, we can do that also by giving this as a jacket and this as a lehenga. Now on the red piece, this is all on velvet. Again, this is an anarkali pattern. This has a border of approx 10 inches and flare of around 5 meters. Now this piece is very interesting because we have added 2 different sort of works. We have done Swarovski also and we have done dabka also. So, it is a mixture of traditional plus a little western touch. It has got the work at the back also and dupatta is of green color with a blue border on it. That is a very interesting piece. Even this is an anarkali jacket piece. The interesting part in this piece is the cut. It is not a normal basic jacket with with the floor length touching this thing, but it is a very different cut altogether. It has got thread work with Swarovski flowers and Swarovski highlighting. And another different piece. This is an anarkali with a side cut, and this is with a Georgette lehenga with approx 20 meters of flare. This is all hand embroidery and this is all machine RD work. We've got work on the panel, work on the sleeves and on the back. Very different purplish blue color piece. It has got machine embroidery as well as hand embroidery. It has got kardana work, it has got Swarovskis, it has got zari also. This is with a silk lehenga with a little border beneath, which is gota, and plus a little lace, Swarovski lace on that. It has got work on the back also. There's the boota, then there is complete, that sort of a thing. Now, the thing is that we have given velvet patching also, which is little different. The color combination for the piece is very different. Again, it can be customized in any color combination a client wants. Now, the piece I am wearing, even this is an anarkali gown. This is all red. The thing is, it is interesting because it has got red on red work, which is little different from, a bling factor. This is little different from that. It has got RE work also on the neck, on the back, so that which makes it a little different actually. Basically what I used to do was, I used to get my things done by my own from a different tailor, and everyone used to compliment me on my pieces. So you know, my brother, he literally geared me up for this thing that, you know, you should start off with your own work, and that thing really helped. I started off with around 30 pieces and they were sold off in a week's time, and now it's like, it's been a long journey, 4 years that I've, you know, launched my bridal trousseau also. Yeah, I'm very happy, very satisfied, full of life, full of my work.